All right, this is day number 27, and we didn't take any trades today, but we did place some orders and did have some trade ideas. Um, the first trade idea, I didn't execute on it because it was still the first 15 minutes or so of the trading day, and I was looking for more bearish confirmation. The second trade idea, I didn't get filled, and the third trade idea, I completely missed it because I was just distracted. So, with that said, I've reached my final target for the day, which was this low right here. So, let's jump in on the daily. So, you can see on the daily, we are still at this order block. We tapped yesterday this fair value gap, and I got in on these longs from here all the way to here. And I got out. So today we were still at the order block. We hadn't been down here yet. We were also again inside of this 12-hour fair value gap. The 4-hour was still bearish, but internally bullish. But as soon as I see this getting rejected and this candle right here and then this one pushing lower, I was just thinking, okay, this is probably going to hold and we'll be going lower. The 1 hour, this is why I was reluctant on not taking the 5-minute setup that I'm going to show you. So the 1 hour was still here, and the 1 hour break of structure is below this candle. So I was expecting for it to go down, right? And then possibly a touch of this order block, or even here, creating some sort of fair value gap in between, or just a perfect touch and then go down. Then if you look at the 15-minute, we moved up. This was a 1 hour fair value gap right here, and then we moved down, so more bearish confirmation. Yeah, then if you go on the 5-minute, this candle right here, I was thinking on shorting this whole order block. So I was thinking on doing this actually. What was the lows? So first I had this idea, but then this is not a good enough risk to reward. After that, I was thinking on this order block right here. Let me zoom in. I was thinking on this order block right here, which is technically untouched. The body of it is untouched, which we ended up just selling straight into it after we just wicked through this whole order block. But again, I was not really too confident because, it was still the early session of the trades. And then if you look at this on the 1 minute, these candles, although it didn't break the structure, these candles were just very suspect to me. And I would rather just not execute on it because still the 1 hour, I was waiting for the 1 hour confirmation to close, the candle to close. So I then waited and waited and waited. I waited for a touch of these lows right here. So I had this because this is a 15-minute fair value gap and this is an order block. I waited for that touch, and then I said, okay, I'm going to wait for a touch there, wait for price to retrace, look for a 1 minute market structure shift, and I'm going to enter there. So if you look at it, this is a 5-minute fair value gap here. If you look at it, we ended up just ranging around and pushing up. And then we have this nice break of structure and you got this candle. So I missed the setup because I wasn't at my computer. I had to go out. I would probably not get filled either way in here, right? Because I would be waiting for a break of this candle right here. And I would be putting at maximum my trade here with the stop above here and then a target on these lows right here. So I would get front run on that, which again, it's fine. But I actually did not execute on this. It just played out how I had it in my mind. Then we got this move right here. And with this move, I can see, okay, this could be just a sweep and then we go higher. Break structure and do sort of the same thing here. So I'm going to be very careful. We have this push up. I wanted to short this. But as soon as I see candles ranging around here and getting bought up, I said I'm gonna wait for the 5-minute candle to close, which closed above here, and I'm gonna, if it leaves a fair value gap, I'm gonna short the 5-minute fair value gap. And so I did. I placed the orders here. And I've put my stop loss above this low, slightly above, and my final target was here, which was the daily fair value gap, and this was my final target for the day. And so I get front run again for, you know, this much, whatever this is. This is like 1, 2, 3 points or whatever. Yeah, I get front run by that. I thought on shorting the order block, right, and do something like this and then target some sort of low and find it, but I couldn't find anything because this move was just so inefficient. I didn't trust anything there, and as soon as I see this candle right here with no manipulation, I'm just thinking, okay, we can just reverse. My targets are hit. It's better for me to just don't trade anymore. And, you know, tomorrow is another day. We're doing good. These last couple of weeks, we've been patient. We've been executing well. So let's keep it this way. And I just decided to leave. So no trades today, although there were plenty of theses and I could have probably executed my trade ideas better. Nonetheless, I would classify this as a good day because I was very patient. That's it. Day number 27 is done. We're almost reaching 1 month of videos. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow for another video.